Whoever say my woman beat, why them wait until Kanye there before them come out with all of this?
It is ironic how some of these men who carry out these heinous crimes against female turns out that they have daughters. Viewer subscribers, just vibes. Welcome back again, my people. Robert Fowler, the 50-year-old man who's been charged for what happened to Candice Jackson, the 20-year-old accounting clerk. Girlfriend finally speaks out about who Robert Fowler really is. So, not to mention, a picture is circulating of Robert Fowler at work the very same day Candice was kidnapped and the crime was done, my people. We're going to talk about it because, trust me, like, it really get more interesting as the day goes by, my people. I remember I also said in one of my prior videos to this one that it's a high possibility that after all of this, the moment his picture, because of course it was just a moment of time or a matter of time for his picture to actually get released, my people, because a lot of persons never actually know who he was unless you're from the community of Waterford or Independent City and know him by his real name or his alias name. But a lot of persons didn't actually know who the person was, and seeing that they have finally released his picture, a lot of persons are now threatening the girlfriend of Robert Fowler and also family members, my people, and just to learn that he also has two daughters. I think one is 10 years old and one is 16 years old. Also, a male as well, my people. So they're getting death threats, and we're gonna really address the situation because personally, though. But anyways, we'll get down into that further, my people, right? Now, I'm going to play a few clippings, courtesy, and this clippings is basically from CVM TV, so, them have the full clippings, so you can go watch it on them Instagram page or on them YouTube page. So I'm going to play a few part of the girlfriend actually telling you who she thought Robert Fowler is, probably the person she knew him as, my viewer subscriber. So check it out.
When it comes to certain things, I'm very sensitive, and him not like to feel embarrassed. Him active in his kids' life. And son is him taking time for who have bring vehicle come him fix it. That's all him do. Him not even really talk to people. Not even the shop them that the era him go. Cause every night when he come home, him bring me one shop in the scheme. I have to buy my nightly snack or juice, whichever for going with. Whoever say my woman beat, why them wait until Kanye there before them? It makes no sense. They're threatening the family. Mother, daughter, auntie, never, whichever the case may, because none of us, even me, none of us told him what to do. If they could have said in whatever it was, they would have probably told him, said, don't do it. They would have stopped it, just as myself, if I could have, I would have stopped it. None of us didn't know he was going to do it. None of us was there, so they can't say they're going to make the family.
Have it, my viewer subscribers, and don't mind the blurring. They did that just to protect the identity of the female, my people. So you hear what she said? You see it? She explained the person she knew. Before this basically I show you that this man here by the name of Robert Fowler had never shown that side of him to this girlfriend. And they use girlfriend. I don't think it's common law is the right word to use, because it seems as if they have been together now for about 3 years or so, my people. But his girlfriend, so basically he's not married. Him have two daughters and one son. You get me, my people? The girlfriend I explained, say, basically, she don't know him as the person. He's always the kind type, the jovial type, my people, and always willing to help, give a helping hand. Sometimes she say, I'm too helpful, him to learn to say no, Typical female, my viewer subscribers, and what really hurting is that the female don't know him as that type of person, don't know him as this predator, because I have used predator, my people. You get me? So the question now, is it a case where he always had this in his nature, against female? Because me not lie, even though them blur out the picture, my people, the female look nice, girlfriend look nice, you get me, my people. So me I wonder if it's a case where him always have it in his nature. It was just a one situation where him just couldn't help himself, make him commit that heinous crime, my viewers, subscribers. You get me? I don't even want to speculate, my people, but it still don't look good. You see it, and I'm more sorry for the family. You get me? The daughter and the son will get death threat. You see me? Them will get death threat. People are threatening them. I say, yo, when you pay for this, when the father doing. My viewers, subscribers, and more people because since we have the platform, since we always come and address the situation and talk about it from day one, people need to know, say, yo, we can't take out the frustration and the anger upon him family. You get me? Because as I hear the girl explain, them don't know him as the type of person there. And as me saying at the start of the video, it's ironic how some of these men have daughters will do some of the worst of crime them. You see me? And me can tell you, them probably, apart from one of them, probably want to molest them daughters. I can't tell them, most of them are some of them are highly protective. You see me? Of them daughter, my people. You can't even look upon them too hard. You see it? So, me really don't know, but me not like to understand. Me not like to hear, say, yo, the family get threatened. You see it? More of them just stop do all of them things here. Because, in a sense, it not gonna solve nothing. You get me? Him don't get charged. Make the law do them work. My viewers, subscribers, in regards to the picture, the man did actually their work. You see me, doing work the very same day. So me need to know what kind of mental level the youth there, the man that depend my viewers, subscribers, if he can actually maintain him calmness, be able to work, knowing deep down, say a few minutes or a few hours ago, him commit. Oh, my viewers, subscribers. Yo, you have to take bad things, make joke, but me don't know about nobody else, but me don't have the heart there to do that. And the mere fact say, yo, the man done do him do already to the female and left the body in the house. Left the body in the house, you know. Then God working, as I can see now, working, man, working, you know. Everybody go think say everything alright. Show up a work all early too. If him now if him not later or nothing, look normal, do him work, people think say I'm alright and thing, not knowing say yo, the man do something wicked in the morning before him reach a work. You see my viewers, subscribers, so me don't know if I'm head did I go. My viewers, subscribers, me just a try. Every time I think about it, it hurt me. Cause me can't see a man of them rightful mind for do something like that. I wonder if I lose a screw in the last part, or it just the part that him really a come out to be the predator he was on or behind closed door. My viewers, subscribers, because it's not like him shot or nothing, me don't know. Because clearly, based off how him girlfriend look, me don't know what the motive. I don't, my viewers, subscribers, I don't know. And as I say, it get interesting more and more. You get me? Worse to find out. I did tell you, well, me never did so sure. No. Me did have it as say, him probably married and have youth. But for here, say, him have two daughters. The man have two daughters. One is 10 and one is 16 years old and a son. Not even the son. Two daughters the man have. My viewers, subscribers. Now, how them father here feel? Sorry, how these two daughters feel right now? I'm not even talk about the son, because while the son might probably go through an emotional breakdown right now, mentally also. You know, it's a high possibility him can get over it. But the two female knowing that the 10 years old and 16 years old, big pit to them understand. Just knowing, say, yo, them father did something like that to a female. Them two youth there, female daughter there, they're gonna need some kind of counseling, or they're gonna need a lot of mental support. Like, trust me, my viewers, subscribers. But as I say, it get more interesting. More information is coming out there. And more information is coming out there, of course, you know, we'll have more coverage and all of that. You know, but I realize that CVM TV has been following this story from the get-go, and we respect that. Need to shed more light on them type of things here, my viewers, subscribers. But comment what you think in the comment section below. You know, your guys, your opinion matters a lot. You get me? RIP, condolence to the family of Yanis Jackson. Until next time. Just for a trader. I'm out.